How to add YouTube audio library music to CapCut PC. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download music from YouTube Studio and import it into CapCut PC. First, open YouTube Studio in your web browser. From the left-hand menu, scroll down and click Audio Library. Here, you'll find a large collection of free music and sound effects that you can use in your videos. If you're looking for a specific type of music, use the filters to browse by genre, mood, artist, or duration. You can also preview any track before downloading it. Once you've found the music you want, click Download. The audio file will be saved to your computer, usually in the Downloads folder. Now, open CapCut PC and load your existing project or create a new one. Click Import, then browse to the folder where you downloaded the audio file. Select the music file and click Open. The audio will be added to your media library. Drag the audio file onto the timeline below your video. If needed, trim or split the audio so it matches the length of your video. You can also click on the audio track and adjust the volume to make it louder or quieter. And that's it. You've successfully added copyright-free music from the YouTube audio library to your CapCut PC project. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more CapCut and YouTube tips and tutorials.